Wewe kuna kazi yote unafanya kwa hii ofisi? Hakuna. There is nothing that you're doing.
Sawa basi, kama hakuna kazi nafanya unaweza kaa nayo hiyo kazi ufanyange.
Sawa, you are fired. Claire. Madam Claire. Yes.
Hello sir, good morning.
Nothing is good about the morning, okay? Na kuangalia hivi na sioni kazi yote unafanya kwa hii kampuni. You're letting us down.
Sir, I'm sorry.
No, I don't need any
it
excuse.
won't happen again.
You're fired.
Sir, ati?
You're fired.
No, sir, please. Imagine family yangu yote inanitegemea. Niko na mtoto na niliachwa. Please, sir, don't do this.
I don't care whether
I'm working on the project right now. Please, sir.
No,
I can do anything you want. Please, don't fire me right now. Please, sir. See, I swear to God, I will do anything you want, sir. Anything you want, sir. Please, I beg you.
Ngoja hapo ndani.
Thank you, sir. I'll get my job back.
Na ujue kuna joto so nipate kama sawa?